So it's been snowing since like, I don't know, last night. Oh, I forgot to put my boots on. But just wanted to show you what's gonna spray on the phone. But there is water. Whew. It's a winter wonderland. Yeah, so I was able to break it all up, but it's probably gonna be painful. It's thick. 29 feels like 19. Oh wow, I think it got worse. It's supposed to get better, but we'll see. We gotta make room for you guys. So yeah, it's been snowy. Can you see? Yeah, does that work? Yeah, okay. Yes. Woo-wee! Okay. Well, it's about 4:40 in the afternoon on a Friday. It's chunky. Ah. I got an ice rest. I have to go into work. And I've just been so lethargic, and my energy's been low lately, just with the winter and the cold and working a lot. So I don't know what other way to just snap me out of it than like this. So I'm pretty packed in here. I have to cover my face, I think, when I dunk, just because the ice is pretty major. You can see it's pretty thick that I broke it up with a hammer. Woo-wee! Ah! So we're gonna shoot for, I don't know if we're gonna shoot for 2 minutes because I really gotta get going. But that's pretty good. What do you guys think? By the time I finish, it'll probably be, I can't even move. Let's see if I can make a little space. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Nothing like a nice bath in the dead of winter during a snowstorm. All right, so yeah, I think by the time we dunk, it'll be 2 minutes. Okay. Woo-wee! All right, I just want to make sure I'll be okay. Rock and roll, you guys. All right, ice hippie. Woo! Yes, we're ready. Yeah, I did it. I got a little cut from the ice is pretty chunky. It's about 6 inches or like that. So I got a little bruise, but it's okay. I feel great. Yeah, so I feel amazing. That dopamine rush, that energy boost, ready to rock and roll. How about you?